This is the G3, a legendary battle rifle made in Germany that once served as the backbone of over 60 countries' armed forces. Developed by Heckler & Koch in the 1950s, the G3 fires the powerful 7.62 51mm NATO round, big, hard-hitting, and high-impact. With its unique roller-delayed blowback system, this rifle is known for being tough, accurate, and easy to maintain. Used across Europe, the Middle East, and Africa, the G3 isn't just a weapon, it's a Cold War icon. If you're into military history and legendary firearms like this, make sure to follow for more awesome content.